Dark ring or water around your toilet. Today, we're sealing it right for a cleaner, more secure bathroom. This DIY project has 3 easy steps. Clean, apply sanitary silicone sealant, and smooth, leaving a small gap at the back. You'll need bathroom silicone sealant, a caulking gun, a utility knife, protective gloves, and rubbing alcohol with a cloth. First, prepare the surface. Remove any dust, debris, or old caulk from around the toilet base using a utility knife. Clean the area thoroughly with rubbing alcohol to disinfect, then ensure it's completely dry. Silicone sealant won't adhere to a wet surface. Now for step 2, applying the sealant. Load your silicone sealant into the caulking gun, cut the tip, and apply a continuous, even bead around the front and sides of the toilet base. Crucially, leave a 2 to 3 inch gap unsealed at the very back. This vital opening allows early detection of future leaks, preventing trapped moisture and subfloor damage. For step 3, smoothing and cleaning. Dampen a gloved finger with soapy water or use a smoothing tool. Then, in one fluid motion, smooth the sealant for a professional seal. Immediately after smoothing, use a damp cloth to carefully remove any excess sealant. Avoid excessive water, as it can interfere with the sealant's curing process. Finally, allow the sealant to cure completely according to manufacturer's instructions, typically 12 to 24 hours. Avoid getting the newly sealed area wet or using the toilet heavily during this time. Congratulations! You've achieved a beautifully sealed, hygienic, and leak-free bathroom. Enjoy the peace of mind. Next, learn how to change the supply lines under the sink.